Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, we are going to discuss about functions. Functions is very important in GRE point of view. In simple words, I can say that function is nothing but rewriting the given equation in a different way. Rewriting the given equation in a different way. For example, if I have an equation 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now, I am trying to rewrite this equation as y is equal to 2x minus 1. If you observe this newly formed equation, it is very clear that we have only one variable x to the right of the equal to symbol. That means here, if the value of x changes, then the value of y will also change. Let's see this. If let's take the value of x is equal to 1, that means if you keep the value of x is equal to 1 in this equation, then the value of y will become 1. That means if the value of x is equal to 1, then the value of y is 1. If the value of x is 2, then the value of y is 2 into 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 3. That means in this case we are getting the value of y as 1. In this case we are getting a different value for y, which is y is equal to 3. That means the value of y is constantly changing for every value of x. Let's take, if you take x is equal to 10, then the value of y will become 2 into 10 minus 1, which is nothing but 90. That means for every different value of x, we are getting a different y value. So we can say that x and y are in a relation such that for every different value of x, we are getting a different value of y. Now I will define this relation between x and y using a function f of x, which is equal to 2x minus 1, where f of x is the value of f of x is equal to y. That means if you take f of 1, which means that you have to replace the value of x with 1. That means 2 of 1 minus 1. We will get the value of f of 1 as 1, which is equal to the value of f of 1 is equal to y. Similarly, if you take f of 2, then you have to replace x with 2. Then you will get the value of f of 2 as 3, and the value of this function is equal to y. Similarly, if you take f of 3, then you have to replace x with 3. You will get 5, which is nothing but y is equal to f of 3 equal to 5. The value of y will be equal to 5. In this way, you have to solve functions. Now let's try to understand about composite functions. For instance, if you have two functions, f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x square, and we have to find the value of y, which is nothing but g of f of x. That means the value of y is obtained by solving this g of f of x. Now let's see what is a g of f of x. For example, in order to solve g of f of x, you have to replace f of x with the value of f of x. That means you have to replace f of x with 2x minus 1. That means if for every value of x, you will get the value of g of x as x square. Now here x is replaced with 2x minus 1. That means Now the value of g of x function will become 2x minus 1 whole square, because for every value of x, the value of g of x is x square. Now here the value of x is replaced with 2x minus 1. So the value of function will become 2x minus 1 whole square. We are replacing x with 2x minus 1. So the value of y will become 2x minus 1, because y is equal to g of f of x. After solving this g of f of x, we got 2x minus 1 whole square. That means the value of y is equal to 2x minus 1 whole square. If you want, for suppose g of f of uh, y is, if the value of y is equal to g of f of 1, that means you need to replace the value of x here with 1. That means 2 of 1 minus 1 whole square, which is nothing but 1. That means if x is equal to 1, then the value of y will also be 1. If the value of x is 2, that means 2 into 2 minus 1 whole square, then the value of y will become 9, because here 2 into 2 is 4, 4 minus 1, which is nothing but 3, 3 whole square is 9. That means if y is equal to g of f of 2, then the value of y is 9. Similarly, if you take y is equal to g of f of 3, that means you have to replace the value of x with 3. Then you will get g of f of x as 6 minus 1 whole square, which is nothing but 25. In this way, you have to solve composite functions.